everyone, welcome to my channel. Recently Rahu has transited the sign of Taurus and Ketu has transited the sign of Scorpio in the cosmos, and both Rahu and Ketu are going to stay in these signs for the next 1.5 years. So let's go ahead and find out how this transit is going to affect your zodiac sign for the next 1.5 years. And in case you like my video, please push the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to push the bell icon so that you can get updated with all my upcoming latest videos. And in case you want personal readings from me on your horoscope, please feel free to contact me on my email account or at my Facebook page or my Instagram account. The links are given below in the description section. Hello Aquarius, Rahu is transiting your 4th house of mother, of home, comfort and happiness, of conveyance and real estate matters. Now let's see what Rahu is doing in your 4th house during this 1.5 years of its transit in the sign of Taurus. Now since Rahu represents obsession, you will be very much obsessed with your mother. You like to take care of her and you like to nourish her and nurture her. But since it's also a natural malefic, your mother might face some difficulties. Overall, there might be some problems in your family matters as well, or in your home front. But don't worry, these are just passing time, and it's obvious when Rahu is transiting your 4th house, it might bring some troubles. But just think practically, act logically, and things will get sorted out on their own. Besides this is a very good time to invest in your home renovations if you are having any plans of it. Also a good time to invest in your in real estate matters, or if you want to buy vehicles, you can go ahead and buy them. But just be very careful because Rahu is elusive by nature. So it could be also possible that not all the agents or people you are dealing in real estate matters are of genuine nature, and you might end up being cheated. So be very careful while dealing in real estate matters or during buying conveyance during this 1.5 years. Other than this, you might research methodically or meticulously in subjects of occult, mysticism, astrology. You might be very much inclined towards these subjects during these 1.5 years. And you might also face some problems in maintaining long distance relationship, or it could be also possible that you might face problem taking up long distance journey or foreign travels during this time because of Rahu's aspect from your 4th house in your horoscope. Now let's see what Ketu is doing in your 10th house of career, workplace, authority and organization. Since Ketu is a natural malefic, it brings separation. It might happen that you have a difference of opinion with your immediate bosses or authorities. You might also think about changing your career during this time. But don't worry, things happen when they are about to happen, and everything happens for the best. So even if you are set to change your career, don't worry about it. Look out for better jobs, better prospects, and soon you'll embark upon a career which will be according to your suitability. Other than this, you might also introspect a lot about your family matter, about your daily work life, routine life, and also about your hoarded wealth and assets. Because Ketu is introspection. It is about inward thinking. Instead of thinking outside like Rahu, instead of seeking and believing like Rahu, which does it from the outside space, Ketu makes you think inside, makes you introspect, makes you think within yourself. So Ketu will make you think about your life path, about your home, family matters, about your daily work life, routine life, and also about your wealth and asset accumulation, about your financial stability, and you might come up with better results, better options in securing these aspects of your life, and which will help you build a better life future for the future terms, in future terms. That is all for Aquarius ascendant or Aquarius moon sign. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon to get updated with all my latest upcoming videos. And in case you want a personal consultation from me on your horoscope, please feel free to contact me at my email account or at my Facebook page or at my Instagram account. The links are given below in the description section. Thank you and good luck.